What's up, guys? I found this toy lightsaber online and I really liked it. I wanted to share it with you guys as well. It is a rechargeable lightsaber, so there is no AA or AAA batteries. It is a rechargeable battery. It charges by Type C. If you can look at here, charges by Type C. And we have a handle. Hold it here, and you can also take it and rotate it like this, fidget like, and the sword part is here, from where it will come out. And to bring it out, you will press this one, take it, press it, and then do like this. You have the sword part out. On this side we have the button, and this side, if you can see, this is the blue button. So you long press it to turn it on, see, and single press will change the color. See, I think it has total 8 different color variations. And let's keep this one. And it has a built-in gravity sensor, so when you do it like this, so it creates a sound of some cutting something, like in the movies. So it uses that gravity sensor like that to create a sound. See, and you can change the color according to your needs. Like blue lightsaber is also very famous. See, really cool. And if you double press it, it will start flashing. See, and if you prefer to not hear this sound at all, just triple press it, this button, and the sound will go away. So 1 2 3, see, the sound is gone. And again, if you want this flashing to go away, double press, see, it flashes only when you are trying to cut something with it. Okay, and if you want to bring back the sound, just triple press again, and sound is back. Change the color to red. I like the red one. So you have the lightsaber. And when you want to put it back, like close it, like in the movies, you just push it like this. See, now it's closed. It will not come out unless you press this button. And if you want to just turn it off, long press the button, and it's off. Isn't it cool? Let me know what you think of it. Take great care of yourself. Bye.